Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a TCL 408 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. Alright, so let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. As you can see, under the About phone we've got the system update, so simply tap on it and your device will check if you've got any new updates which you can download. I've got this information that my system is up to date. However, of course, we can tap on check for updates and the device will check it again. Be aware that you have to have the internet connection to do that, to check the system updates. Of course, if you will be able to download something, your device will list the new things which you will download and the number of the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.